Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Abdul Basit. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox the Dahua IMOU Bullet 2E camera. So this video, I'll walk through the entire unboxing and I'll show you what devices you would be getting in the box. First, let's open the box. This is how the box will look like. It will be mentioned Bullet 2E Outdoor Security Camera. And it has got 8 different specifications. Number 1, it is H.265, that is 1080p full HD resolution. Second, it has got smart full color night vision, so it would be always full color camera. If there are lights also it would be color, and if there are no lights also it would be color. It has a spotlight which will be emitted if there is no light, and it will give you the color video. And it has got built-in spotlight. It will be activated if there is no light. If the camera's condition where you have installed it, if the light is less than 0.01 lux, then the built-in spotlight would be activated and you would be getting the colored video. Next, it would have soft AP mode. It has got access point mode. You can search the camera network and you can connect this camera network in the AP mode. Next, it is waterproof, IP67. It is waterproof and it is damage proof, vandal proof. Then it has got Wi-Fi connection. It has got Wi-Fi antennas and you can connect this camera with the Wi-Fi connection. It has got cloud service. You can browse the entire data of the last 1 week at no cost. If you would like to browse more than 1 week's of data, you have to pay and you have to go for the premium services. And it has got the micro SD card slot. You can insert up to 256 GB of memory card in it. So let's open it. Let's see what things you would be getting in the camera. So I'm unboxing it. Once we open the box, the first side, we have got the QSG. It is known as Quick Start Guide. Then you have got the warranty certificate, and this is the waterproof connector. It would be used if you're using a camera, any type of cable, like you're connecting this camera to the Ethernet cable. So this waterproof connector would be used in terms of wired connection. And this is the positioning map. Where you would like to fix the camera, you have to fix this, you have to paste the sticker, and you have to drill the holes in the screws. And this is the screw package you'd be getting, and one adapter for the camera, and the last you'd be getting the camera. So this camera would be like this. The front side of the camera, this is LED. It will show the status of the camera. I'll let you know about the status of the light. And these are built-in spotlights. This is the lens, and this is the reset button, and you can see the screws over here. You can open the screws and you can mount the SD card in this slot. And these are the Wi-Fi antennas. And this camera will have 2 connectors. One is the Ethernet connector and the other one is the DC pin connector to give the power supply. So this is the things which you would be getting in the box. Now I'll show you the functionality and the usage of this camera. I'll talk about the types of things you'd be getting. So in the box, this is the box you'd be getting. Once we open up the box, you would be getting the camera. Camera will have 2 connectors. One is the Ethernet connector, another one is the power connector. Here we'll be connecting the power adapter, and here we'll be connecting the wired connection if we are giving the wired connection to the camera. And camera front side, it will have IR. It will have the light. The status of the light I'll explain in the forward of this video, in the next part of the video. Then it will have lens. It will have built-in spotlights, and it will have the light. And this is the reset button. And here we can open up the screws and we can mount the SD card in it. Next, power adapter. This is the power adapter. This is the power adapter. We'll be connecting this power adapter to the camera to give the power to the camera. Next, this is waterproof connector. If we are connecting the camera to the wired network using Ethernet cable, then we can use this waterproof connectors. And this is the positioning map. where we have to fix the camera. We have to paste this and we have to drill it, and then we can mount the screws and we can fix the camera. And this is QSG, quick start guide, and all the things will be mentioned in this. And this is the screw package. So that's it for the unboxing. Next part, I'm gonna show you the camera details, and I'm gonna show you the status of the light and how to configure the camera. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.